So I had to work with Terraform. So you go to Terraform, download, click on install Terraform. So if you're on Mac, you can run this command or you download it and install it. So I'm on Windows, I'll go with Windows. So if your system is AMD, you go with this, but my system is not AMD, it's Intel. So I'll go with this 368 instead. So I'll click on download. So it's downloading it for me. So I'll wait for it to complete. So now that it's complete, I will open it. So I'll copy what is inside. I will go to anywhere I want to put it on my laptop. So let's say I go to my C drive. So this is my C drive. I'll open it. I'll create a folder here. And I'll call it Terraform. Then I'll open it and paste what I downloaded inside like this. So one more step. I need to tell my computer where Terraform is located. So to do that, you click up here. So you see C:/Terraform. You can either right click and copy or you manually type it. So where are you going to put that? So I'll go to search. I'll search for env. So you can see edit system environment. I'll click on it. So I'll go to environment variables. So we have user variable and we have system variable. So I'll go to where I have path here. I'll click on edit. So these are all the software I've installed. I'll click on new and I'll paste the Terraform there. And I'll click enter. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. So let me confirm it's working. So I'll come here and do CMD and press enter. So I'll type Terraform. So when you see all of this information, it shows that Terraform is successful. So that's how to install Terraform.